Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. For the record, today is Thursday, December 14th. Time is around 5 p.m. GMT. So we had the Fed meeting, we had inflation data. So the most important economic events are finished. Now let's have a look where we are and what we can expect. So here we are looking at the daily chart, and as presented in earlier videos, we are working here on this fifth wave. A fifth wave, as we will see in the lower time frame, that can have this structure, so that this here is our fifth wave. However, remember, as presented in earlier videos, we could also do a longer fifth wave, where this structure here, for instance, is just the wave 1 of the wave 5, and then we can get something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some kind of ending diagonal. That's also a possibility. Here in the daily, it looks quite strong, but okay, that's normal. I would now mainly look at the 4-hour. Actually, only when we would take out here, erase this RSI, then I think we have to consider even more bullish counts. But for now, I think it is normal what we see in the daily. I think the 4-hour gives us a better ID. So here in the 4-hour, as explained in my earlier video, I was mainly looking here at this, reading this RSI, reading the wave 3 of 3, the wave 3 of 3 of 3. And yeah, technically, we did not erase the divergence, or we did not erase this RSI high, but we came quite close, which makes it not really difficult for, which makes it quite difficult for interpretation, I would say. My best estimate would still be the scenario here indicated in green: 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the fifth wave, the wave 5 of potentially wave 5. That's a possibility, but like I said in my earlier video, if we would erase the divergence right here, or as it is right now, then yeah, I would like to switch to my count here in red, where this is the wave 1, this is a shallow wave 2 retracement, and then we actually still need to have our wave 3, usually the strongest wave. And this wave 3 then, or the scenario here in red, would then actually fit in the scenario here in the daily, as quite a bullish scenario, probably even a scenario where we take out the RSI high right here. But okay, that's for later. That did not happen yet, but it is true that by approaching this level, or getting very close, interpretation is quite difficult. I favor the scenario here in green, but we cannot exclude the scenario in red. And if we would take out the RSI right here, then we would even have to switch to the scenario in red, I believe. So then in the 4-hour, with what we are seeing now, technically ending structure, as we have our 5 waves and we have the divergence. If we look in the lower time frame here at the 1 hour, then we mainly look at the structure from the low right here. I would say this is not typically how an impulse ends. We should end with divergence. So therefore, I think that what we are seeing now is only the wave 3, and that we can expect another high as a fifth wave, a high that ends with divergence. And so now we might actually be working on the wave 4. So maybe we can also put the wave 4 area on the chart. If we take the length here of our wave 3, then we know that a wave 4 typically ends between the 0.146 and the 0.618 fib retracement. So this here is our wave 4 area on the 1 hour. So based on what we are seeing here in the 1 hour, I would expect another fifth wave with divergence. But yeah, of course, at the same time, this can just be a marginal new high, just taking out the wave 3 high right here. That is actually sufficient to have our fifth wave. And then if we look at the 15 minutes, for the moment we do not really see much in the 15 minute. Just like we saw in the 1 hour, it's ending quite strong here, and this is not really typical for an impulse. An impulse should end with divergence. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.